From the bustling streets of cosmopolitan cities to the serene charm of quaint villages, Spain offers an array of experiences for every traveler. Prepare to be dazzled by iconic landmarks, indulged in delectable gastronomy, and immersed in the warmth of its friendly locals. Nature lovers, get ready to be enthralled by Spain's diverse landscapes. From the majestic peaks of the Pyrenees to the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean, this country is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Delve into the pages of history as we explore the fascinating remnants of ancient civilizations, awe-inspiring castles, and architectural masterpieces that stand as testament to Spain's rich heritage. Before we begin this mesmerizing journey through the best places to visit in Spain, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more captivating travel content. 17. Merida. Located in the heart of the captivating region of Extremadura, Merida is a mesmerizing destination that is steeped in history and boasts a rich cultural heritage. As one of Spain's most significant Roman cities, Merida offers visitors a chance to step back in time and explore the impressive remains of its ancient past. At the forefront of Merida's historical treasures is the Roman Theater, a stunning structure that dates back to the 1st century BC. This remarkably preserved amphitheater once hosted grand performances and gladiatorial contests, and today, it serves as an open-air venue for various cultural events, bringing the past to life. Another must-see attraction is the Roman Bridge, spanning across the Guadiana River, which has stood since the 1st century BC. It is a testament to Roman engineering and provides a picturesque spot to stroll while taking in the scenic views of the river and the city. 16. Bilbao. Nestled in the picturesque Basque country of northern Spain, Bilbao is a vibrant and captivating city that seamlessly blends modernity with its rich cultural heritage. Known for its remarkable transformation, Bilbao has evolved from an industrial hub into a thriving center of art, architecture, and gastronomy. At the heart of the city stands the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, an architectural marvel designed by Frank Gehry. Its gleaming titanium curves and innovative design have turned it into an iconic symbol of Bilbao. Inside, you'll find an exceptional collection of contemporary art, making it a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts. Stroll along the riverside promenade, lined with trendy cafes, sculptures, and green spaces, providing a perfect backdrop for leisurely walks and relaxation. The Zubizarreta Bridge, with its stunning white arch, offers a unique photo opportunity and connects the bustling neighborhoods on both sides of the Nervión River. 15. Salamanca. Nestled in the heart of Spain, Salamanca is a captivating city that boasts a rich history, stunning architecture, and a vibrant academic atmosphere. Known as the Golden City due to its sandstone buildings that radiate a warm glow, Salamanca offers a unique blend of ancient heritage and youthful energy. At the center of Salamanca stands its crown jewel, the University of Salamanca, one of the oldest universities in Europe. Founded in 1218, its impressive facade and intricate plateresque details draw visitors from around the world. The university's illustrious history is evident in its magnificent library, which houses countless rare manuscripts and books. The Plaza Mayor, a grand square surrounded by Baroque buildings adorned with arches and balconies, is the heart of social life in Salamanca. A lively meeting place for locals and tourists alike, it's the perfect spot to enjoy a coffee, people watch, or simply soak in the city's ambience. 14. Cuenca. Cuenca is a captivating medieval city that seems to defy gravity with its stunning cliffside location. Perched high above deep gorges, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its breathtaking architecture, rich history, and unique natural setting. The city's most iconic feature is the Casas Colgadas, or hanging houses, which cling to the edge of the Júcar River Canyon. These centuries-old buildings with wooden balconies seem to teeter on the precipice, creating a jaw-dropping sight that has made Cuenca famous worldwide. Wandering through Cuenca's labyrinthine streets, you'll encounter a wealth of well-preserved medieval architecture. The Cathedral of St. Mary dominates the skyline with its Gothic and Romanesque elements, and its interior houses valuable artworks and religious relics. 13. Ibiza. Ibiza is a world-renowned paradise that beckons travelers with its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and a captivating blend of cultural influences. This Balearic island is synonymous with fun, relaxation, and non-stop entertainment, making it a favorite destination for partygoers and sun-seekers alike. Ibiza's beaches are its crown jewels, offering something for everyone. From the bustling and trendy beach clubs of Playa d'Embalsa to the serene and crystalline waters of Calacant, each sandy stretch boasts its unique charm. When the sun sets, Ibiza truly comes alive. The island is renowned for its legendary nightlife, with world-famous clubs and electronic dance music events that attract top DJs and party enthusiasts from around the globe. Ibiza's club scene is an unforgettable experience for those seeking to dance the night away and immerse themselves in the electric atmosphere. 12. Segovia. Segovia is a city steeped in history, boasting a mesmerizing blend of Roman, medieval, and Gothic architecture. This UNESCO World Heritage Site captures the essence of Spain's rich cultural heritage, making it a captivating destination for history enthusiasts and travelers alike. The iconic Roman aqueduct of Segovia stands as a testament to the city's ancient past. This incredible engineering marvel, dating back to the 1st century AD, stretches over 800 meters and consists of perfectly placed granite blocks, showcasing the engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. Strolling through the charming streets of Segovia's Old Town, you'll encounter quaint squares, picturesque alleys, and cozy cafes, creating an ambience that transports you back in time. The Plaza Mayor, surrounded by historic buildings and bustling with life, is a delightful place to relax and savor the local cuisine. 11. Ronda. Perched dramatically atop a towering cliff in the province of Malaga, Ronda is a breathtaking Andalusian town that exudes timeless beauty and rich cultural heritage. Famous for its stunning gorge and historic bridges, Ronda offers visitors a captivating journey through Spain's fascinating past. The Puente Nuevo, or New Bridge, is Ronda's most iconic landmark. Spanning the Tajo Gorge, this magnificent stone bridge connects the old Moorish town with the modern part of Ronda. The views from the bridge are awe-inspiring, providing a glimpse of the dramatic landscape that has captivated visitors for centuries. Wander through Ronda's historic center, and you'll encounter charming narrow streets, whitewashed buildings, and picturesque squares. The Puente Viejo, or Old Bridge, is another architectural gem that transports you back to medieval times, offering a quieter and more intimate experience than its newer counterpart. 10. Santiago de Compostela. Santiago de Compostela is a city of profound spiritual significance and architectural beauty. Known as the final destination of the Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has been a place of pilgrimage for centuries, drawing people from all corners of the world. At the heart of Santiago de Compostela lies the awe-inspiring Santiago de Compostela Cathedral, a masterpiece of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque architecture. The cathedral's impressive facade, adorned with intricate sculptures, welcomes pilgrims as they complete their spiritual journey. The city's historic center is a labyrinth of narrow streets and squares, exuding a medieval charm that captivates visitors. The Praça do Obradoiro, a grand square in front of the cathedral, is a central gathering place where travelers can witness the excitement and joy of pilgrims who have successfully completed their journey. 9. Toledo. Perched majestically atop a hill overlooking the Tagus River, Toledo is a captivating city that encapsulates Spain's rich history and cultural diversity. This ancient city, located in the heart of Castilla-La Mancha, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a living testament to the country's past. Toledo's architecture is a mesmerizing blend of Christian, Muslim, and Jewish influences, reflecting its historical significance as a melting pot of different civilizations. The Toledo Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic and Renaissance styles, dominates the city's skyline with its intricate facade and towering spires. Inside, visitors can admire a wealth of artistic treasures, including paintings by El Greco, who spent much of his life in Toledo. Strolling through Toledo's winding streets, visitors are transported back in time. The Jewish Quarter, with its narrow alleys and charming courtyards, offers a glimpse into the city's multicultural past. The Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca and the Sephardic Museum provide insights into Toledo's Jewish heritage. 8. Cordoba. Cordoba is a captivating city in the Andalusian region of Spain. With its strategic location, Cordoba has been an important city since Roman times and later flourished during the Islamic era. At the heart of Cordoba lies the iconic Mezquita, also known as the Mosque Cathedral. This extraordinary building is a symbol of the city's cultural diversity and religious heritage. Originally a mosque, it was later converted into a Christian cathedral, resulting in a fascinating blend of Islamic and Christian architectural elements. Inside, the forest of horseshoe arches and red and white striped columns create a mesmerizing atmosphere that reflects the city's layered past. Cordoba's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets, picturesque squares, and charming courtyards. The Jewish Quarter, or Juderia, is particularly enchanting, with its whitewashed buildings adorned with colorful flowers. The synagogue, one of the few surviving medieval synagogues in Spain, stands as a testament to Cordoba's multicultural past. 7. San Sebastian. San Sebastian is a coastal gem renowned for its stunning beaches, culinary delights, and vibrant cultural scene. This elegant city is a harmonious blend of traditional Basque culture and modern sophistication, offering visitors an unforgettable experience. San Sebastian's most iconic attraction is La Concha Beach, a crescent-shaped bay with golden sands and crystal-clear waters. The beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports, and its scenic promenade is ideal for leisurely strolls with breathtaking views. Food enthusiasts will delight in San Sebastian's status as a culinary paradise. The city boasts more Michelin-starred restaurants per square meter than almost anywhere else in the world. From elegant gastronomic temples to bustling pinchos bars, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy bite-sized delicacies, the culinary scene is an adventure for the taste buds. 6. Valencia. Located on the eastern coast of Spain, Valencia is a dynamic city that effortlessly blends its rich history with modern innovation. As the third largest city in Spain, it offers a diverse range of experiences, from stunning architecture and vibrant cultural attractions to beautiful beaches and delicious cuisine. One of Valencia's most iconic landmarks is the City of Arts and Sciences, Ciudad de las Artes y las Ciencias, a futuristic complex designed by renowned architect Santiago Calatrava. This futuristic masterpiece houses an opera house, a planetarium, a science museum, and an oceanarium, all surrounded by impressive futuristic architecture, reflecting the city's commitment to innovation and the arts. The Valencia Cathedral, with its blend of Gothic, Romanesque, and Baroque styles, houses the revered Holy Grail, making it an important pilgrimage site. 5. Seville. Seville is a captivating city that pulsates with vibrant energy, flamboyant festivals, and a rich cultural heritage. As the fourth largest city in Spain, Seville is a delightful fusion of history, tradition, and modernity, offering visitors a truly unforgettable experience. At the heart of Seville stands the awe-inspiring Seville Cathedral, the largest Gothic cathedral in the world. Its iconic Giralda Tower, originally a minaret from a former mosque, provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Inside the cathedral, visitors can marvel at a stunning array of religious art and intricate craftsmanship. Adjacent to the cathedral lies the Real Alcázar, a magnificent palace complex that showcases a captivating blend of architectural styles, including Mujar, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque. Its lush gardens, courtyards, and opulent halls transport visitors back in time to the splendor of Spain's medieval past. 4. Madrid. As the vibrant capital of Spain, Madrid exudes an irresistible charm, seamlessly blending its rich history with contemporary allure. Situated at the heart of the country, this cosmopolitan city offers a diverse array of experiences, making it a top destination for culture, art, gastronomy, and nightlife. The city's historic center, known as Madrid de los Austrias, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders dating back to the Habsburg era. The Royal Palace of Madrid, a magnificent 18th century palace, stands as an opulent testament to the city's royal past and is one of the largest palaces in Europe. Nearby, the Plaza Mayor, with its elegant porticos and lively ambience, serves as a central meeting point for both locals and visitors. Art enthusiasts will be enamored by Madrid's world-renowned museums. The Prado Museum, home to an exceptional collection of European art. The Reina Sofia Museum houses an impressive collection of contemporary art, including Picasso's iconic painting Guernica. 3. Mallorca, the largest of the Balearic Islands, offers a diverse array of experiences, from idyllic beaches and rugged mountains to charming villages and lively cities. For nature lovers, the Tramontana mountain range provides a breathtaking backdrop for outdoor adventures. Hiking trails, such as the famous GR221, wind through picturesque landscapes, leading to picturesque viewpoints and quaint mountain villages. The island's capital, Palma de Mallorca, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends modernity with its historical heritage. The crown jewel of Palma is the awe-inspiring La Seu Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that overlooks the city's waterfront. The city's old town, with its narrow streets and charming squares, is a delightful place to wander and discover hidden gems. 2. Barcelona. Barcelona is a captivating metropolis that exudes an irresistible charm, blending its rich history with modern innovation. As the capital of Catalonia, this vibrant city is renowned for its unique architecture, lively culture, and artistic treasures. Barcelona's most iconic landmark is the Sagrada Família, a masterpiece of modernist architecture designed by the visionary Antoni Gaudí. This awe-inspiring basilica, with its intricate facades and towering spires, is still under construction, making it a true work of art in progress. Strolling down Barcelona's famous street, La Rambla, is a sensory delight. With its bustling atmosphere, vibrant street performers, and a variety of shops and restaurants. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow medieval streets and historic buildings, is a treasure trove of history and culture, showcasing Barcelona's ancient past. 1. Granada. Located at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains in Andalusia, Granada is a city of enchanting beauty and rich historical significance. The Alhambra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a jewel of Islamic architecture and is one of the most renowned landmarks in Spain. This breathtaking palace complex, with its intricate stucco work, tranquil courtyards, and stunning gardens, offers a glimpse into the splendor of the Nasrid dynasty and the era of Al-Andalus. The Generalife Gardens, adjacent to the Alhambra, provide a serene escape with their lush greenery, fountains, and panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. The historic Albaycin neighborhood, a labyrinth of narrow streets and whitewashed houses, preserves the city's Moorish legacy. Wander through its ancient alleyways to discover hidden squares, charming tea houses, and picturesque viewpoints that offer stunning vistas of the Alhambra.